Hello, IELTS students. Today I'm giving you 5 tips to get 8 bands in IELTS speaking. Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from Dr. Arshnoor's IELTS Institute. My first tip is be relaxed and do some meditation or deep breathing exercise to control butterflies in your stomach. I do know that speaking is the scariest module in IELTS. And Punjabi students especially, they're so much afraid of speaking module. So this tip will help you a lot. So you should not get scared of this. Rather, try to get relaxed before your speaking test. So when you are sitting in the hall, prior going to the room, at that time you may do deep breathing exercises. And try to convince yourself that I'm the best. Definitely this tip will help you. And my second tip is that you should be natural. Do not try to be fake. Don't adopt any British or American accent. Pronunciation is one of the criteria for your score, but adopting British or American accent is not. So try to be natural. Speak in your natural flow, in your natural accent, what you are using in the daily conversation or according to your country. Third tip is don't rush immediately to the question. Here you should apply my PPS formula. That is plan, prepare, then speak. This means you should plan the task first in your mind. Take a pause, then prepare it in your mind, then speak. See, our brain is the fastest element in the world. It is even working faster than computer. So don't get worried. So you can easily get the ideas, you can easily compose those and plan the task accordingly. My fourth tip is that don't give a single word answer in the first part of speaking. Try to elaborate your answers. Many times I've seen the students, they're giving to the point answer and you're not getting good score for that. Suppose the examiner is asking you, what is your hometown? Can you please tell me about your hometown? Then don't give the single word answer that Amritsar, Ludhiana, Chandigarh are in. You may start that I belong to. Then you should go with the main attraction of that place. As if I speak about Ludhiana. So Ludhiana is famous for 3 Ws. It is the city of malls. You may speak about Punjab Agricultural University, which has brought green revolution not only in Punjab, but to whole India. It is called the Manchester of India. May speak anything, but it should be 3 to 4 lines minimum answer. If we're talking about Amritsar, we know it is a holy city and it is famous for Golden Temple worldwide. So you may speak anything, but don't give single word answer. Must elaborate your first part of speaking, though it is very easy and you can easily go with this. Actually, this is the rapport building. The first part is actually the rapport building with the examiner, and you can easily answer this and get good scores in the first part. Now move forward. See, students, don't stress about vocabulary. I've seen some of the students, they are using some flashy words, big words, and they're so much worried about using this. As there are many videos on the YouTube also, cram 10 words, that is assuring you to get 8 bands in IELTS. It is nothing like that. In my 18 years practice of IELTS teaching, I've seen the students are getting 8 bands or 8 plus bands. They were just normal speakers, but they spoke naturally. They did not fake and they did not cram even the difficult words. I don't say that you should not add vocabulary. This is very important because this is lexical resource. Here you have to justify this by using good range of vocabulary. Keep on adding good vocabulary on the daily basis. And this will help you to utilize these words in the exam also. But when you just choose some of the words and just impose these words on you, and at the time of the speaking, I think you will forget maximum number of the words, and this will become the major cause of stress for you. So don't try to do this. Be natural, speak in your natural flow, and if you do not have good vocabulary words, forget about that. Don't try to get those words at the time of the speaking. And after that, one very important thing, don't talk to the people at the speaking place. I've seen sometimes the people, they get just confused while having conversation in the hall or the reception area where they meet number of students, and they usually horrifying them by telling the examiner is not cooperative, and telling about the odd behavior of the examiner. They're just frightening many of the students. Don't try to speak to anyone. Just be confident, have faith on yourself only. Don't have self-doubt at that time. I'm sure that if you just go on your own faith, you will be getting the best score. Now, above all, the most important tip of the day, this is a golden nugget for me also. See, 1 minute time is very important for you before your cue card, which is the toughest pass considered by many of the students. Use this time wisely at that time. Don't waste this time by thinking anything odd, looking here and there, and playing with your pen or anything. This time is very important. At that time, your brain will work faster than the computer. Gather some bullet on which you can easily make some sentences and justify the task. Prepare your task properly at that time, only in the form of the bullets. Don't elaborate it, because first of all, you will get confused while speaking. Secondly, you will not be able to read those words, and you won't be able to speak properly in front of the examiner. I think all these tips will help you to get good score in your IELTS speaking. Hope the best, and I wish you that you should get the best score, more than 8 bands in your IELTS speaking. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it right now, because we are uploading a lot of material on that to help you. Subscribe it right now, like my videos and share with your friends so that other people should be benefited by this.